And welcome back again, me, of course. Today we talk about this one, and look, when you order one from Mihai Cozmei, what you get, a nice thank you card. It's always nice. And maybe you remember I did once a video of this quiver which he has on the back, you know, where the arrows are kind of like in this angle and this quiver points backwards. It's most probably the most efficient quiver you can get for fast shooting, but for me all these strap-on things were a little too much, and I thought I would like to have one where the arrows are on the left side and you throw it you pull it from your chest, and this is it. I don't know the name now of this quiver. I paid 180 euros plus shipping, I guess, but I don't know now. Holds 8 arrows. You clip them in here between, you put them in down there. You have a nice belt with a strap where you can adjust a little bit the angle. And then somebody was complaining that something was made here in tape, covered in tape on the back. So somebody wanted to see the back, if there's something covered in tape. I don't find anything, so I don't know what you guys were referring to. Because when they saw the photo I posted on Facebook, somebody asked I should show the back because they cover something with electrical tape. I don't find anything. If you see some tape somewhere, let me know in the comment section below. I don't find anything, so let's see how it works. You obviously strap it here around, then you can tighten it here nicely, and this one you can put wherever you want, out of the way. So the only thing, of course, loading these quivers is always a little fiddly. So, and I wanted to have this quiver for my Buryat with 34-inch arrows, and this is then even more fiddly because I think these quivers work best with 28, maybe 30-inch arrows, but I ordered it for 32 to 34 inches. So, but these are 32-inch arrows. Look, and you just put them in here, clip them in here. So it's not so hard. You just need to look. So I'm not sure if I will ever can do this blind. It's not that you just throw them in, but you prepare a little. And I thought, so maybe for the parkour it would be nice, you know, have this one not on the side dangling around. You have it in front, everything nice and protected. See, and these arrows are now 34 inches, and then you see why it gets a little tricky here. So this is how you load them. This is how you have it. And then you just grab the first one. Either depends how you shoot. Now I think I will shoot like this, but I show you. And I did not get it now for fast shooting. It's for me just a nice way for, you know, when you're at the 3D parkour, you stand there and you just zack out of the way, zack, like with this glove. It's not going to work. Like this, you know. For me, enough. And once you get used to it, you get, I guess, even a little faster. So then you move, of course, your whole body. Then it's just fine. Works nice. See? So you can practice, of course, then all your fast shooting, whatever, but for me it's more like I have something tight here, 3D parkour, long arrows, nothing rattles, this is solid. And maybe because Petra Engeländer is coming to Austria and I might join her horse archery course, and I need a quiver for horseback. And I guess this one is just fine for me. What I like, nothing rattling. It's really solid, and for my way how I shoot, pull the arrow on it, and it's not in the way, see? Quite intuitive. Nice. Oh, bad shooting. longer ones, and this one I was a little concerned, but it works. See, you grab them, especially when you have like the M-Nox, then you feel them here, pull the arrow out, easy peasy. Lemon squeezy, nice. I shoot bad today, but doesn't matter, it's not about shooting, it's about this nice quiver. Works really nice, and what I like is this easy thing. You just put it off and you're ready to go. So not 25 different straps and here and there and what have you. That's easy to handle, easy to manage, and it's well made, so you can't say anything against this one. Pretty one, pretty made. Here you have, I guess, 2 carbon shafts for stabilization, fiddled through. You have here this wide waist part here, which I like, it's very comfortable. And then you have a nice strap around. Nothing to complain here, fits even my size. Then you have this nice leatherwork around here, so it's a quite solid piece. And here you fit your arrows in. It's just nice. I said I paid 180 euros, I don't know how much it is with shipping, but you check simply with Mihai Cozmei. So, that's all I have for you. Works just nice, as I wanted. I will use it more often for sure. Thank you, Mihai, for sending it to me. That's all I have for you today. Thank you very much for watching. Catch you in the next one.